and invited what he called future Republicans to join him and his campaign.
Meanwhile, Democrat Michael Bloomberg will hold a rally in Salt Lake City this week. The location for Thursday morning's rally has not been announced yet, but they want to start it at 9 o'clock.
Super Tuesday, in-depth coverage on KSL News Radio. Hard to believe it's 2 weeks from today, Utahns will take part in their first Super Tuesday ever. KSL News Radio's Kelly Pierce has what you need to know to make your vote count.
There's 7 Republican candidates for president on the ballot in Utah, including, of course, President Trump. But if you want to vote for any of them, you have to register as a Republican. Utah's Director of Elections, Justin Lee, says you can register on Election Day.
Anybody that's not yet registered to vote, or maybe if they've moved to a different part of the state, can go to the polls during early voting, starting next week or on Election Day, and register and vote that day.
But here's the catch. Only people who were previously unaffiliated voters can switch over and vote in the Republican primary. Democrats, by contrast, let anyone vote in their primary, but you'll have to choose between 16 candidates, all vying for Utah's 35 delegates. Though small in a close race, every delegate counts. Countdown to Super Tuesday, Kelly Pierce, KSL News Radio. There's a new warning about a letter you may get in the mail urging you to pay for a property assessment. KSL News Radio's Mary Richards is live in the KSL 24-hour News Center with more. Mary.
It's a letter from a company called Property Site, and it urges you to pay $95 quickly in order to learn more about your home, or you may end up paying higher property taxes. The Salt Lake County Recorder's Office says around 40 people have come in to pay the money thinking it was an official government document. It's not. The company says you will get important details on your property, like market value, deed, and square footage by paying their fee, but all of those things are public record anyway. Mary Richards, KSL News Radio.
The latest polls show a change near the top for Democrats. Let's get our top national stories now with Sean Michael Lyle, who's back live at the KSL National News Desk.
Tim, a poll by NPR shows Michael Bloomberg has surged into second place in the Democratic race for president nationwide. His 19% support is a dozen points behind frontrunner Bernie Sanders.
Trying to figure out all kinds of ways, how do we stop Bernie and the movement?
Bloomberg has now qualified for tomorrow night's debate in Las Vegas. Jury deliberations begin today in New York in the rape and sex assault trial of Harvey Weinstein. His attorney expects acquittal.
This is a case that should be about evidence. It shouldn't be about emotion. It shouldn't be about feelings, and it's not a popularity contest.
She claims sexual encounters with accusers were consensual. China now says more than 72,000 people have been infected with coronavirus. Nearly 1,900 have died. Among the deaths, the director of the hospital in Wuhan, China, where the outbreak first came to light. And the world's richest man donating $10 billion to fight climate change. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos starts funding initiatives this summer. Correspondent Tim McGuire says Amazon has its own big carbon footprint.
Using fossil fuel to power the planes, trucks, and vans used to deliver billions of packages around the world.
Amazon employees have been demanding action by their founder. Live at the KSL National News Desk, Sean Michael Lyle, KSL News Radio.
Coming up on KSL, another nationwide retailer files for bankruptcy protection.
And we'll check your triple team traffic. Some southbound flowing starting to appear running by the west side of Hill Air Force Base and at the Kaysville exit 200 north. Other than that, I-15 looks pretty good. Eric Butler in the KSL Traffic Center.
KSL News Time is 6:36.
Get breaking news straight to your email inbox. Text the word inbox to 57500 for that day's top stories on KSL News Radio. When you want a brand new kitchen, there's nothing to it. There's a brand new way to do it. 3-day kitchen and bath. It's all about time.
3 days or less.
3-day kitchen and bath. Do you love your house and hate the thought of assisted living? Whether you're caring for a loved one in your home right now or planning to live independently in the years ahead, call 3-Day Kitchen and Bath. They can completely remodel your old bathroom in just 3 days and back up their work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee on both their quality and craftsmanship. If all you need is a new walk-in tub or easy entry shower to make your life easier, they can do just that for you. Avoid the hassle and stress of remodeling. Check them out on the web at 3daykitchen.com or call 3-Day Kitchen and Bath for your free design consultation today. 3-Day Kitchen and Bath. It's about time. It's about time.
3 days or less.
3-Day Kitchen and Bath. Sometimes democracy is a birthright. Sometimes it is a gift. Today, it's a fight, and I'm asking you to stand and fight with me. Michael Bloomberg on bringing our country back together. This election is a referendum on the meaning of America.